The abnormal rise in the cost of living has hit the poorer sections of the society, including those with fixed income, very hard indeed. And it is responsible, to a great extent, for the prevailing unrest in the country. The policy of the Pakistan government is to stabilize prices at a level that would be fair to the producer as well as the consumer. I hope your efforts will be directed in the same direction in order to tackle this root problem with success. I shall watch with keen interest, having witnessed the work of your research organization in evolving banking practices compatible with Islamic ideals of social and economic life. This is the rest has created almost insoluble problem for the humanity. To many of us, it appears not only a total mistake of disaster that is now facing the world. It is failed to do justice between man and man, and eradicates friction in the national needs. On the contrary, it was largely responsible for the two world wars in the past half century. The Western world, in spite of its advantages of mechanization and industrial efficiency, is still in a worse state than ever before it. The adaptation of Western economic theory and practice will not help us in achieving our goal of creating a happy home community. We must work on our destiny in our own way and present to the world an economic system based on true Islamic concepts of equality of manhood and social